a new image of Three Eyes Atlas has revealed something truly strange, forcing a confrontation with the limits of our cosmic knowledge. Scientists have discovered that sunlight behaves in a completely different way around this object than anything we've ever seen or even imagined before. The image, captured by the Mastcam Z camera on NASA's Perseverance rover on Mars, shows a faint, blurry spot in the Martian sky, the location where scientists expected the interstellar object Three Eyes Atlas to appear. This is the first time ever we've seen Three Eyes Atlas from such a close distance. In the image, the comet appears only as a faint smudge next to a group of stars, each about as dim as magnitude 8, with another piece of data showing something truly moving in the Martian sky. This picture wasn't taken exactly during its closest approach. The Perseverance rover captured it one day before that moment. Scientists say that the actual closest approach could only be properly observed by Mars orbiters, but due to current data processing and potential shutdown issues at NASA, it may take some time before they release those detailed close-up images of the object. During Three-Eyed Atlas's near pass by Mars, the Perseverance rover also recorded increased Martian surface activity, including dust devils swirling around the rover and a large dust storm forming on the horizon, though any direct link to the visitor remains speculative. A notable feature is the comet's lack of a visible tail in the rover's images, a highly rare phenomenon compared to most comets that blaze through the solar system. While it began to develop a thin tail as it approached Mars, it was still much fainter and narrower than any seen before. Unconfirmed visuals have also suggested the comet is elongated in shape, making it look more like the first interstellar object Oumuamua and less like 2-Eyes Borisov. Three-Eyes Atlas passed fairly close to Mars on October 3rd, coming within about 28 million kilometers of 0.99 astronomical units, and is now racing through space at nearly 200,000 mph, heading toward its closest point to the Sun, known as perihelion. However, things just took an unexpected turn. Astronomers believe that Three-Eyes Atlas may have been affected by a coronal mass ejection, CME, a massive burst of solar energy and particles from the Sun. After this solar event, the comet suddenly disappeared from view, likely due to both its increasing distance and the Sun's glare. With Earth now moving in the opposite direction relative to the comet, making it even harder to see against the bright background of stars, Three-Eyes Atlas won't become visible again until later this year. This blackout comes just as new observations have revealed unexpected anomalies in the comet's structure and light behavior, features that fundamentally challenge what we currently understand about such objects. Part A. The polarimetric paradox, a signature of alien dust. Just when many thought Three-Eyed Atlas was a normal comet, a recent new observation provided the most compelling evidence, yet of its alien nature. Astronomers conducted the first polarimetric observations of the interstellar comet. Polarimetry is a technique that measures how much light, after hitting an object, becomes polarized, meaning its waves start to line up in certain directions. Measuring this alignment allows astronomers to deduce crucial facts about the dust and ice particles it bounced off, their size, shape, whether they are rough or smooth, and whether they are made of common solar system materials. Normally, when scientists observe comets at small phase angles, they expect to find negative polarization. When astronomers observed Three-Eyed Atlas, they found that its negative polarization was extremely strong, much stronger than in any comet we've seen before. This was a major surprise. Its extreme negative polarization, with a minimum of -2.77% at a phase angle of 6.4 degrees, is simply unprecedented among known comets. This strange behavior strongly hints that the dust grains around Three-Eyes Atlas are fundamentally different from those in comets that come from our solar system. They might be rougher, more irregular, or made of materials that are rare or unknown here. This is the first time we've observed such unique polarimetric characteristics in an interstellar object, suggesting Three-Eyes Atlas could have formed in a completely different kind of environment. possibly in another star system or at the very edge of our own solar system, where conditions are much colder and icier. Scientific research has already claimed this object is older than our solar system itself, likely coming from the inner regions of our galaxy, cementing its status as one of the most ancient and mysterious visitors ever observed. Part 2. The impossibility of mass, a violation of cosmic budget. Adding to the light paradox is an extraordinary set of anomalies concerning the object's physical composition and dynamics. Scientists have detected an unusual chemical composition around the object, finding that the environment surrounding this interstellar visitor is quite similar to the atmosphere and surface conditions of our neighboring planet Mars. This strongly suggests that the object did not come from a typical comet forming region like those in our solar system. Instead, it might have originated from a planetary surface, possibly a world with conditions similar to Mars. Furthermore, some claim the object seems to glow in strange ways not seen in regular comets, which might mean it could evaporate a lot more or even break into pieces when it nears perihelion. However, the greatest physical contradiction lies in its mass and dynamics. We already noticed that 3I's Atlas is losing mass as it's surrounded by a visible cloud of gas. Normally, when comets shed gas, the release of material creates a tiny rocket-like thrust, pushing them slightly off course. A measurable non-gravitational acceleration. But 3I's Atlas is behaving very differently, even with these gas clouds forming around it. Its path doesn't seem to be affected at all. This unusual lack of trajectory change suggests the object is incredibly dense and massive. Early estimates suggested 3I's Atlas is at least 1,000 times more massive than any comet we've seen before, but recent studies now estimate its mass could be over 33 billion tons, an almost unimaginable amount for a natural comet. As Professor A.V. Loeb has pointed out, there is simply not enough rocky material per unit volume in interstellar space to deliver such a giant rock into the inner solar system over the past decade. This limited reservoir of rocky material means that 3I's Atlas's size and mass violate the statistical expectations of galactic debris, adding further reason to suspect it is not a natural object. Part IV. The Coincidence Conundrum. A calculated arrival. Professor A.V. Loeb has summarized the situation by dividing the unusual observations about 3I's Atlas into two main categories: those that might be explained with more data, and those that may remain puzzling forever, challenging the very definition of a natural celestial event. In the first category, anomalies include its immense size, its strange anti-tails, a forward jet of scattered sunlight about 10 times longer than it is wide and pointing toward the sun, its unusual chemical composition, and its strong negative polarization of light. These require a complete rewrite of comet science, but might still theoretically be contained within natural processes. However, the second category contains a series of unusual coincidences that defy statistical probability. The ecliptic alignment, the trajectory of 3I's Atlas is perfectly aligned with the ecliptic plane, the same flat plane where all the planets orbit the sun, within just 5 degrees. This alignment is nearly impossible for a random interstellar visitor to achieve. The perfect timing. The arrival time of this interstellar object seems to have been perfectly timed to pass close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. This calculated path mirrors the gravity-assist flybys we design for our own probes, suggesting a pre-programmed route. The W signal alignment. Even more mysteriously, the direction from which the object arrived is aligned within 9 degrees of the famous WW signal detected on August 15, 1977. This powerful radio burst has long been considered a candidate for an extraterrestrial message, and 3I's Atlas arriving from the same source strains credibility. Professor Loeb has argued that those who strongly insist 3I's Atlas is just an ordinary naturally formed comet should be held accountable to explain all these unusual coincidences through purely natural processes. The unprecedented polarization, the impossible mass, and the statistically improbable trajectory alignments all stack up against the conventional wisdom, forcing us to consider that Three Eyes Atlas is not a common piece of cosmic debris, but a profoundly alien anomaly. Perhaps a scout, a technological seed, or a remnant of a cosmic civilization. The object's continued defiance of our laws suggests that its nature is the greatest mystery of the modern astronomical age.